Have you ever wondered how a discarded plastic bottle can turn into a wearable t-shirt? Let's take you inside a modern...
Every t-shirt begins its journey here, with discarded plastic bottles arriving at the recycling plant.
Next, bottles are sorted by type and color, ensuring only suitable PET bottles continue in the process. The bottles are thoroughly washed and delabeled to remove all adhesives, dirt, and contaminants. Shredders break the clean bottles into small flakes, ready for further processing. Density separation removes remaining contaminants, leaving only high-quality PET flakes.
Drying removes all moisture, preparing flakes for high-temperature melting.
Dried flakes are melted under high temperatures, forming molten, recyclable material. Advanced extrusion technology stretches molten plastic into fine, recycled fibers. Fibers are cooled and stretched to stabilize their strength, then wound onto spools.
Fibers are spun into yarn, forming the threads that will later become fabric.
The yarn is woven into fabric sheets, forming the foundation of each t-shirt.
Fabric undergoes finishing to stabilize dimensions and improve texture for garment production.
Fabric is precisely cut into t-shirt panels using industrial laser-guided cutters.
Cut panels are sewn together into t-shirts on automated stitching lines.
Each t-shirt undergoes a thorough quality check for defects and sizing accuracy.
Labels and tags are attached, providing product information and brand details.
Automated folders ensure t-shirts are neatly stacked for packaging.
Folded t-shirts are packed into boxes, ready for shipment.
Packed t-shirts are palletized, ready for storage or shipment to retailers.
From waste bottles to wearable t-shirts, this process demonstrates modern recycling at industrial scale.
Every stage, from flakes to finished garment, is carefully controlled for quality and efficiency.
These flakes come from recycled bottles, forming the basis for eco-friendly t-shirts.
The flakes are melted and spun into fibers, the first tangible step toward wearable fabric.
Fibers are twisted into yarn, ready to be woven or knitted into fabric sheets.
The yarn is woven into fabric sheets, forming the foundation of each recycled t-shirt.
Fabric is finished to ensure stability and smoothness before cutting and sewing. Laser-guided cutters slice fabric into precise t-shirt panels for assembly.
Panels are stitched together on automated lines to form complete t-shirts.
Quality control ensures every t-shirt meets standards before labeling and packing. Finally, t-shirts are boxed and palletized, ready to reach stores and customers worldwide.